Hi there, I'm Julie Alonso, Program and Communications Manager here at Safe States. I'm excited to talk to you today about the tools and resources available on our website, safestates.org. Whether you are a student wanting to learn more about the field of injury and violence prevention or a seasoned veteran looking to advance your career, Safe States has the tools and resources to help. And best of all, our targeted tools and resources were all created in consultation with our expert members, like you, from across the country. This ensures they are not only relevant, but meet the needs across our diverse membership. Since you're watching this, you've likely already found our training center, which includes well over 100 online training courses like this one that feature a variety of formats, including videos and worksheets designed for a diverse set of backgrounds and skill sets. The searchable database will allow you to find trainings based on keywords, topics, or even competencies. So I'm going to now show you. Let's take a quick look at the training center. So this is what you'll find when you come to the training center. And it's great that you can then type in whatever you're looking for. So you can go to search trainings. And in this case, I'm going to look for some trainings related to health, equity, and race by just typing the word equity into the search engine, and it will bring up a variety of courses. You'll notice here you can find quite a few options, including the Cliff Analogy and Gardener's Tale session with Dr. Kamara Jones. Once you are ready for that, you just click here, and this will tell you how to take the course and get started. But what I really want to draw your attention to is the IVP Orientation Toolkit. So I'm going to go here, go back to the home page, and you can find the link here for the toolkit. This interactive tool is a great place to start your personal professional development journey, or if you're a supervisor, it's a great tool for orienting new staff. Here you can explore the core competencies, and you can see that along the side here, of injury and violence prevention, obviously, and assess where you are at and determine where you want to invest your time. So let's take a closer look at some of the options here. So I'm going to click Take an Assessment. And from here, you'll notice there are two options. The first quiz will assess your knowledge of key core competencies for IVP to help you determine what areas you might need to work on. The second assessment is a bit longer, but it allows you to rate your level of knowledge and how relevant specific sub-competencies are to your job or your position. The best part is, as a member, you can create a learning profile. So if we go up to the top here to learning profile, this will allow you to sign in so that your assessment results can be saved and sent to you or to a supervisor. These results will help you determine where you should start your training. And members, you even get to earn CEUs for the majority of the available trainings. So here's where you would log in and put your password and get set up. Now, let's take some time to look at those recommendations. So now you know that you need to expand your personal knowledge base, and you have a better idea of what areas you might want to work on. So let's look at some tools designed specifically for programs, like our newest tool, the Ivp Program Assessment. This exciting new resource provides tailored assessments based on specific standards and indicators for your program setting, which can all be found on our website as well. So you can click any of these and find the standards and indicators, in this case related to trauma programs. Then what you want to do is go over to take the assessment. So from here, you will see you can click one of the three options to get a detailed description and instructions. So that's kind of where we're at here. These are the instructions for the level 1, level 2 trauma center IVP programs. Then, as you go through it, when you say let's begin, the interactive tool will allow you to rate your program and save your progress, and then it will even email you a report. So this way you can monitor your, use it to monitor your progress. So So now perhaps you could use these resources. You want to use resources to help make program improvements. So now that you know where you're at with your assessment, you're ready to learn some new things. So I'd suggest looking at the IVP inventory and evaluation resources we have on our website. I pulled up the injury prevention inventory for you already. It is designed to connect you to a variety of prevention strategies, sample distal and proximal measures, and related resources across 17 different injury and violence prevention topic areas. Similarly, we have a collection of evaluation resources available as well as an evaluation guide for pedestrian safety, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. And keep in mind that it is good for a variety of topics as well. So this one is quite interactive. And you can just click through it and it'll help you to create an evaluation plan, give you lots of tools along the way. Now, let's take a look at some of our other resources. Now, if you're looking for support on implementing shared risk and protective factor approaches, I would highly recommend exploring the Connections Lab. Here you can access definitions as well as conceptual models and tools to apply to your work. You can use this left-hand navigation here to, again, look at those definitions. There's a whole glossary. You can navigate back to the Connections Lab. It basically operates as a microsite within our site. Very cool to have these conceptual models here that you can explore and learn, as well as access resources for building partnerships and evaluation. So our work in IVP, as you know, wouldn't be possible without collaboration. So if you're looking for ways to deepen collaboration with partners or engage new partners, we encourage you to take a look at the Strengthening Partnerships Between Business and Public Health roadmap. And we also have a research to practice it's a partnership toolkit, excuse me. And these will help give you tools to kind of enhance those relationships, talk about fostering them, resources that you can use as you explore those partnerships. And finally, have you ever encountered an issue or wanted to know if other professionals have had similar experiences? Well, we've got you covered. You could even be looking for a new tool or resource that you want to either get or share with the field. Again, we've got you covered. So one of the best benefits of the Safe States membership is the ability to network and share with peers all year long from all over the country. And many choose to do this by participating in special interest groups and committees. But for those that want kind of some real-time access, you don't want to wait for a monthly meeting, we have this In Touch collaborative community for IVP professionals. From here, you can sign in and log into the Safe States site, similar to those assessment tools. And at In Touch, you'll sign up for communities that you're interested in, those that you might want to get a digest as other people add resources to. And you have complete control over the frequency of those notices and how you want to engage. And you can even do it straight from your email, which is really exciting. But on our website, you can get information about In Touch and detailed instructions on how to get signed into that. So that is a really quick overview of many of the resources we have on our website at this time. So whether you work in a hospital or health department or an academic institution, as you see, we've pulled together lots of resources, case studies, and more to support your work. You can access all of these on our brand new resource hub, Informed, which will be launched in fall of 2021. This is something we're very excited about, and all the tools I just showcased today, as well as many of our publications, will be housed there. You can learn about the National Violent Death Reporting System, as well as different injury surveillance work groups and many other reports to support your work. So thank you for taking your time with me today, and I hope that you will make use of some of these fantastic tools. As I said before, these were all designed with and for you, and keeping the IVP professional in mind. Thank you.